To Gange's Learning, and this is Ruby class. So if you guys are doing fine in your Ruby learning, so in this tutorial we are going to see how to define methods in IRB. In the last class we saw that we defined a method inside a Ruby file, and then we kind of called that method and printed the result of that method. In this tutorial we are going to see how we are going to do the same thing in IRB, like defining a method. So this might not seem to you guys like learning something new, but this can be very handy when you are working on some Ruby project or you are working in Rails, like being able to use your console more efficiently. So in this tutorial we are going to see how do we define methods in IRB, which is exactly the same thing. I mean, we do it the same way we do it in file. So we are going to define our say hello method. Okay, so what we are going to do is, like, first we are going to show that there is no method defined of this name, say hello John. Okay, so we are calling this method, and it tells us that there is no method of this name, no method or undefined method. So we are going to define this method. So we are using the same syntax, say def say hello, name is what we will call our argument, enter, then hello, this is the body of our method, end of line is end of a statement, and end. Okay, so now here Ruby gives us the clue that whatever you are doing has been it's completed. It has given the return value. Okay, so return value nil means defining a method doesn't return anything. So the default value of any statement is nil, the default return value. We are going to now call this method. Okay, so okay, it's say hello, HELLO. Okay, so it has returned the value hello John. Now here we are calling the method, and inside that method we are returning hello plus argument, whatever argument we have given to it. So you can see that how do we define a method inside IRB, and then how do we call that method. Okay, so now we are going to define another method, and this time we will define that method in one line, so we can get the feeling of how do we write so many statements in one line. Okay, so this method will be named as say hi, say hi, argument name is again name. Okay, so this is our one line. So if we enter here, then Ruby will take it as the end of a statement, but we want to write more than one statement in one line. That means we cannot use enter, we are going to use here semicolon. Okay, so I mean completed. Now we have to write this statement. We will write like hi, because this is hi, say hi method plus name. This statement is complete. We are going to use semicolon, and now we are going to end our method. Again, you see here the return value is nil, because defining a method does not return anything. Now we are going to call this method, say hi John, enter, hi John. So in this tutorial we have seen that how do we define a method in IRB, and we have seen two ways. One is nice and clean method, writing one statement in one line, I mean one statement per line, and the second way is there we use semicolon as the end of a statement and indicator. So that was for the today's class, and see you guys in the next class, and happy Ruby learning. Bye.